AI is reshaping how we build and deploy software. So, how do we ensure our software is developed with quality? What does it take to unlock AI's full potential? In a world where developers can build software faster than ever before, it's critical that we adopt scalable, intelligent systems for testing. Meet Tricentis Tosca Copilot, your AI-powered assistant designed to revolutionize software testing. With Tosca Copilot, you can quickly find, understand, and optimize test assets in your portfolio, improving your effectiveness across all phases of test automation. Tosca Copilot pairs seamlessly with your Tosca environment, providing context-aware test optimization capabilities that are directly embedded within Tosca's framework. With it, you can understand and document any test with AI-generated explanations, making it easier for your team to maintain and scale automated tests. Get actionable execution insights that help you interpret test results quickly, troubleshoot issues faster, and shorten release times. And optimize your test suite by asking Tosca Copilot questions and quickly finding the answers. You can ask Copilot a variety of questions to help you quickly find test cases, identify duplicates, or identify unlinked requirements or gaps in coverage, which will help you get the information you need fast, prevent execution failures, and boost test automation efficiency. Ready to experience the future of testing? Visit tricentis.com/Tosca Copilot to try it today.